Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix couldn't place a call on WhatsApp. If you're using WhatsApp and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to make a call on WhatsApp, you're facing the issue that your call is not working. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you have to try to connect with a different, stable and strongest network connection. Go back and go to settings, go to general, go to VPN to device management. Just try to disconnect with the VPN if you're connected. Then go to general again, go to background app refresh, and then select it from here, and then select Wi-Fi and mobile data. Scroll down or go back, and here just look for WhatsApp, and you just have to enable the setting for your WhatsApp app. So after enabling the setting for your WhatsApp, simply go back from here, just go to the apps section, and here just look for WhatsApp app, and just make sure that you have allowed all the settings to WhatsApp. Here you have to enable live activities, background app refresh is the default calling app. You have to select mobile services from here. So after doing this, you have to simply go back from here and you have to retry to make a call if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, you can try to make a forced restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do this, just quickly press on the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. If it doesn't work very first time, just retry. Quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed, or if it's still not fixed your issues, you can go to your app store and here just go to search and simply search for WhatsApp. And you just have to make sure that your WhatsApp app is up to date. There's no pending updates for your WhatsApp app. If you find, just try to update your app. So after updating, your issue might have fixed. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you can go to your settings app, go to general, go to iPhone storage, just look for WhatsApp app here, and you can try to offload your app or you can also try to delete app. So in case of offloading or deleting, if there will be any bug or any malware with your WhatsApp app, it will be fixed in this step and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.